Welcome to GSL GMC 1720 Boat Trail, Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today, I'm going to show you how to connect your smartphone to your GMC vehicle product. So you have to start off with your vehicle not on, but in accessory mode. Have screen illuminated, and you have your other iPhone or whatever phone. You just log in, and you want to go to settings, and then you want to go to Bluetooth. Turn that on. So your Bluetooth on your smart device should be on. And then you want to go to the phone app in your vehicle, and you'll see no paired devices. You just want a paired device. This will give you a PIN. In this case, it is 4233. You want to set that PIN. Now, looking at your phone, it does say GMC IntelliLink. That is your GMC product. You just want to click that. And now it's giving you, saying that it's paired, looking at 272-946, 272-946. You want to pair that. And on your phone as well, pair. iPhone successfully paired. Okay. And then there you see my iPhone connected to the GMC product. Now this is asking if you want your contacts to be synced. In this case, no. And then boom, you're all done on your phone. You can turn that off. Looking at your vehicle here at the projection screen, you can see your phone's all paired up. When you go back to home, you have your apps, your phone, you have your voice, contacts, recent, keypad, voicemail, everything good to go. If you want to disconnect, just click it again. Disconnect. Phone not connected. And if you want to delete it altogether, you're requesting to delete, and a simple delete. If you have any questions, please give us a call at GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail, Southwest in Calgary, Alberta.